The Pocatello-Chubbuck School District is ready to start rebuilding Highland High School. Construction will start on Monday and a groundbreaking ceremony is set for Wednesday at noon. The work will take place in 2 stages, with the first phase focusing on the gym, kitchen, cafeteria, and new classrooms. The second phase will focus on the Performing Arts Center, music and drama classrooms, and the outdoor courtyard. They hope to have everything done by the summer of 2027. It's been almost 2 years since an early morning fire destroyed parts of the building.